This might be the most wholesome MrBeast video ever. In the video titled, "I Adopted Every Dog in a Shelter," MrBeast embarks on a mission to give abandoned dogs a second chance at life. Visiting a local animal shelter, he decides to adopt every single dog to ensure they all find loving homes. The most touching moment comes when MrBeast meets an elderly dog that had been in the shelter for years. The staff shares how no one wanted to adopt the dog due to its age, but MrBeast makes it his mission to change that. Not only does he adopt the dog, but he also throws a heartwarming party to celebrate its new beginning. This video isn't just about rescuing animals, it's a reminder of the importance of kindness and giving love to those who need it most. MrBeast once again proves that his generosity has no limits. Subscribe for more inspiring stories like this.